Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that could potentially change the way you approach making money. How to make money with automation. Imagine earning while you sleep or sip your favorite coffee. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, stick around because I'm about to share some eye-opening insights. Understanding the power of automation. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's get a clear understanding of what automation actually means. Automation involves using technology and systems to perform tasks without constant human intervention. It's like having a virtual assistant working tirelessly for you. Automated processes can range from handling emails and social media posts to managing inventory and customer interactions. By harnessing this power, you can free up your time for more creative and strategic endeavors. Identifying profitable opportunities. All right, now that we are on the same page about automation, let's talk about identifying profitable opportunities. The key is to target tasks that are repetitive and time-consuming. For instance, if you're running an online business, automating order processing and customer follow-ups can save you hours each day. Or, if you are a content creator, scheduling your social media posts and using automated email marketing can expand your reach effortlessly. Tools and technologies for automation. Now comes the exciting part, the tools and technologies that make automation a breeze. There's a plethora of software and platforms designed to help you automate various tasks. Tools like Zapier allow you to connect different apps and automate workflows. HubSpot can streamline your customer relationship management, while Buffer simplifies social media scheduling. And for e-commerce, platforms like Shopify can handle order processing and inventory management seamlessly. Implementing automation strategies. Time to roll up our sleeves and talk strategy. Implementing automation effectively requires a well-thought-out plan. Start small. Pick one task to automate, like sending out welcome emails to new subscribers. Gradually, you can expand to more complex tasks as you become familiar with the process. Leveraging the free time. As you automate tasks and free up time, what should you do with all that newfound freedom? The answer? Focus on growth and innovation. With automation handling the routine, you can dedicate time to creating high-quality content, exploring new business strategies, or even learning new skills that enhance your brand. And there you have it, folks, a crash course on how to make money with automation. Remember, it's all about smartly utilizing technology to work for you. By identifying opportunities, choosing the right tools, and implementing effective strategies, you can unlock a world of potential earnings while you focus on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future insights. Until next time, keep automating and keep thriving.